Jumbo flowered fuchsias have a massive place in my heart because my first ever job in horticulture was when I lived and worked on the family nursery in South Devon. Now, the plant that we really specialised in, and we grew over 400 different varieties, was fuchsias. And among the most popular were the American jumbo flowered, so the big, blousy, large flowered ones. Those were always the most popular. And the reason is really simple. The flowers are just outstandingly impressive. You've got that beautiful outer sepal, the outer part of the flower. Often it's red and it reflexes back to allow the underskirt or the corolla, the layers and layers and layers of petals below, to really show their very best. Now, they're often referred to as ballerinas because when the flower's in that lovely reflexed form, you've got the sepals up, you've got the corolla below, which is the skirt, and then you've got the stamen and the anther coming down below the flower, just like the ballerina's legs. So they are absolutely entrancing when you see them in full display. Now, these ones are perfect for your hanging basket. So just like the picture in front of me here, you could produce a beautiful mixed display. And varieties like Swingtime, Voodoo, Deep Purple, Bella Rosella, they're absolute beauties, and they will flower all the way through the summer months. So big flowers, blousy flowers, big displays ongoing, and they will look great anywhere they can cascade. The place I would choose for them is in a hanging basket, somewhere close to where you may actually sit perhaps of an evening, and then you can just gaze up on them and see their absolute magnificence and the beauty of them. And a few top tips. Fuchsias love high potash food. The flowers in this case are really big, so they need lots of food, lots of energy to produce you bigger, better, longer lasting displays. So once you see the first buds appear, every single week when you water them, make sure you include a high potash food within the water to ensure that you get all of those nutrients in. And in exchange, they will reward you with some of the best displays you could wish for. Now, they look great in baskets on their own. You could mix and match them with many other plants, but whatever you do with your jumbo flowered fuchsias, these will excel. Flowering all the way through the summer, literally. So from May, June, July, August, all the way through September into October, and in fact the first frosts will be the time when they actually start to really slow down and then eventually stop flowering for you. So they're easy to grow, they're impressive plants to have. Make sure you plant yours this year in your hanging baskets, your window boxes, or anywhere at all that they can cascade.